Hello, my lovely kids. This is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Math Skills Class 6 by G-Ram Books. So today we are starting Chapter 5, Fractions. Very interesting chapter. Let's start. Learning Outcomes. In this chapter, you will learn about fraction, representation of fractions on number line, types of fraction, mixed fractions, changing of mixed fraction into an improper fraction, changing an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, equivalent fractions, building equivalent fractions, verifying whether the two fractions are equivalent or not, reducing a fraction into its lowest terms, like and unlike fractions, comparison of fractions, and operations on fractional numbers. So let's start. Boot up to revise previous knowledge of concepts. See, competency based question, A part, multiple choice question. The first one, the shaded part is what fractional part of whole? See here, one figure is given, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Out of 5, 2 are shaded. So what is the answer? Answer is 2 upon 5. Okay. Now the second one, the unshaded part is what fractional part of whole? That is 3 by 5. Right. The third one, we can write the shaded part as 2/5. The second one. The fourth, we can write the unshaded part as 3/5. Okay. Now, the fifth question, half can be written in fractional form as 1 upon 2, right? The sixth one, the fraction equivalent to 3 by 5 is, अगर हमें कोई equivalent fraction find करना है, then what to do? Either multiply or divide numerator and denominator by the same number. हम addition नहीं कर सकते, subtraction नहीं कर सकते, we can do multiplication. So this is the answer, right? Now the next is B part, filling the blanks. The first one, 25 paise is dash part of 1 rupee. 25 paise 1 rupee ka how much part? So 25 upon 100 paise means 1 by 4, or you can write fourth part. Okay. The second one, in 13 by 18 numerator is 13. Okay. Now third question, in 14 by 100 the denominator is 100. The fourth question, 8 by 5 is what? It is an improper fraction. Okay. The next fifth one, 1 is an dash fraction. 1 is an what fraction? This is an improper fraction. Okay. Then sixth one, equivalent fraction of 24 by 36. So we can cut it or we can multiply it. So like this, we can cut it by 12. So this is 2 upon 3. Right? Now the C part, write T for true and F for false statements. The first one, see how many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of 6, 3 are shaded. It means 3 upon 6. And that is 1 upon 2. So this is true, right? Second one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, 2 are shaded. This is right. So this is true. The third one you can check. ऐसे हमारे पास fourth है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, 3 are shaded. So this is true. Okay. Then the fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, 2 are shaded. So 2 by 6, it becomes 1 by 3. So this is true. Okay. So like this, you can try many more questions. Now we are coming to introduction part. You must have seen India's national flag. Do you know to draw it? Draw a rectangle of length 4 cm and width 3 cm. Divide it into 3 equal parts and complete the flag. Like this, take a rectangle and then divide it into 3 parts. Okay. Now the top 1/3 of our flag is saffron. The middle part is white and the lower part is green. Okay. Now draw an Ashoka Chakra in between the white part. 1/3 is called the fraction of the whole flag, and the part of the whole or a collection can be represented by a fractional number. So, see here, next one, fraction. What do you mean by fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole, where whole may be a single object or group of objects. So, fraction equals to number of considered parts upon number of total parts. That is equal to numerator upon denominator. So, we can define fraction in 3 different ways. Okay, here one factometer is given. When an object is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction of that object. So now how we can define it? The first one, fraction as a part of whole. Divide a rectangle into 4 equal parts by drawing 2 diagonals of the rectangle. Then shaded parts represent different fractions. अब हमने क्या किया है, एक rectangle लिया है and then we are taking 4 equal parts. Now one part is shaded, it becomes 1/4. 2 parts shaded, 2 out of 4, 2/4. 3 parts shaded, 3 out of 4, 3/4. And 4 parts shaded or whole means 4/4 equals to 1. Okay. Now the second one, fraction as a part of a group. Suppose one pizza is equally distributed among 3 friends. Then each one will get 1/3 of the pizza, right? See this figure. Okay, 3 equal parts, 3 friends, they will get 1/3. So here we divided a single thing among 3 friends, but the whole may be taken as a group of objects and fraction can be associated to that as shown in figure 2nd and 3rd. Like here we have taken some collection of pencils and out of 6 pencils we are taking 2. It means 2/6 is the fraction, that is 1/3. Here we have some flowers like 9 flowers. We are taking 3 flowers, 3/9, that is 1/3. Okay. Now the third one, fraction as a part of division. We can write 4 divided by 5 as 4 divided by 5 or 4/5, where 4/5 represents a fraction. Similarly, 6/9 means 6 divided by 9. Okay. Now representation of fractions on number line. अब हम किसी fraction को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं एक नंबर लाइन के ऊपर. लेट अस लर्न हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट फ्रैक्शंस ऑन अ नंबर लाइन. टू डू सो, परफॉर्म द फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स. द फर्स्ट वन, ड्रॉ अ लाइन एंड मार्क अ पॉइंट 0 ऑन इट. लेबल इट एज O. Okay. Then second step, mark equal intervals on the number line towards the right of 0. फिर हम राइट साइड लेंगे 0 की और वहां पर हम इक्वल पार्ट्स ले लेंगे, इक्वल इंटरवल्स ले लेंगे. देन द थर्ड वन, राइट 1 2 3 on the marks as numerators and denominators equal to the given denominator. तो जो हम मार्किंग करेंगे 1 2 3 ये बन जाएंगे न्यूमरेटर और जो डिनोमिनेटर हमारे पास गिवन है उसको हम एज इट इज लिख देंगे. ओके. देन द फोर्थ वन, लेबल द फ्रैक्शन विद द डिजायर्ड न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर एज A. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5/8 can be represented on a number line as follow. So 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5/8, right? 6/8, 7/8, 8/8 ये बन जाएगा 1. फिर आप नेक्स्ट ले लेंगे 9/8, 10/8 like this. So here A represents 5/8. Very simple. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now example 1. Circle 1/3 of the given collection as shown in this figure. So what to do? 1/3 means 1/3. So we divide the collection into 3 equal parts and select one part. So what you do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6, right? So we are dividing into 3 equal parts, right? And 1 upon 3. Clear? So here there are 6 stars. So 6 divided by 3 means 2. So 1/3 of the collection will have 2 stars, right? Okay. Now example 2. Circle 2/5 of the given collection as shown in this figure. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers, right? So 2/5 means 2 by 5, means out of 5 we have to take 2, right? So we have to divide the collection into 5 equal parts and select 2 parts, means take 2 flowers. So this is 2 upon 5, right? Now the next is example 3. Represent the following fractions on the number line. First one, 3 upon 5. So what you do? Draw a line, mark 0, take it as O. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Equal intervals लेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this. So we have to show 3 by 5. So 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 upon 5. इसको हम mark कर देंगे with point A, right? Okay. Now the second one, 4 by 9. So what to do? हम equal intervals ले लेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 9 as denominator. This becomes 1. Okay. Now count it. This is 4 by 9. Okay. The next is 10 upon 23. So what you do? Mark 0, take it as O. Now take the equal intervals और जो भी 10th part है उसको हम mark कर देंगे with point A. So this is 10 upon 23, right? Now the fourth part, 32 by 41. If the numerator is very large, then divide the numerator into equal intervals to demonstrate the number line with convenient number of intervals. Now we have 32. 32 is a bigger number. तो हम क्या लेंगे? हम सारे नंबर्स को शो नहीं करेंगे. हम ऐसे ले लेंगे like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, right? 2, 2 gap. So this is the 32. Okay. So like this we can represent any fraction on the number line. Now we are coming to exercise 5.1 based on such type of examples. Like question number 1, write each of the following as fraction. So here like second part, Neha ate 1/5 of a cake, means 1 upon 5. Then the fourth part, Ritu has 3/8 of a marble collection, means 3 upon 8. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. ऐसे हमारे पास सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, शेड द फिगर अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन फ्रैक्शन. लाइक हियर सेकेंड पार्ट 5 upon 8 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts. Out of 8, 5 parts shaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Very easy. Now we are talking about third question. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Like the first one, total parts 4. Out of 4, 2 are shaded. So this becomes 2 upon 4. So this is 2 upon 4. Okay. ऐसे हम like fifth part है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, 4 are shaded. 4 upon 8, or we can write it as 1 by 2. Okay. Now similarly you can try remaining parts. Now we are coming to fourth question. Complete the table given below. Shade the boxes according to the fraction form. See here like the first part 3 out of 5 parts means 3 upon 5 fraction. Then fraction number name 3/5 and the figure out of 5 3 are shaded. ऐसे 2 out of 6 parts means 2 by 6. How we can write it? 2/6. Okay, and now shade 2 parts out of 6. So like this you can complete the rest questions. Now fifth question, the objects in the given collection have been selected by putting a cross over them. Write the fraction to show the collection. Like here, third part. Here some objects have been crossed. So here total 4, 4, 8, 4, 12, 4, 16. Total 16, and out of 16, 4 are crossed. It means 4 by 16. So ऐसे आप बाकी fractions करेंगे, right? Now the sixth one, represent the fractional numbers on the number line. You can try this one on your own. Now the seventh question, a pizza is divided into 8 equal parts and Rahul ate 5 parts of it. So what fraction did Rahul eat? Means 5 out of 8. And what is left? 3 upon 8. Okay, so very simple questions. Now we are talking about types of fractions. Fractions are of 3 types. The first one is proper fraction. What do you mean by proper fraction? A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. That is a proper fraction. A proper fraction is always less than a whole. For example, 5 by 7, 3 by 5, 2 by 9. So here figures given. Okay? Is it clear to you? Now the second one is improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. That is an improper fraction. Okay? An improper fraction is always greater than a whole. For example, 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 9 by 4. These are improper fraction. See, 4 by 3 improper fraction, it can be represented diagrammatically as shown alongside. इसे हम कैसे show कर सकते हैं? 1 complete and then total 3 parts out of 3. Here 1 is shaded. So this becomes 4 by 3. Okay. Now we are talking about unit fractions. Fractions with numerator 1 are called unit fraction. For example, 1 by 4, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, etc. 1 factometer, 5 by 5 is also called improper fraction because its numerator is equal to the denominator. Okay, I hope these are clear to you. Now the next, mixed fraction. What do you mean by mixed fraction? A fraction having an integral part as well as a whole number part is called a mixed fraction. Like 2 whole 1 by 2, 5 whole 1 by 7, 6 whole 1 by 8, 1 whole 1 by 6. These all are mixed fractions. Okay. So as they all contain a whole number part as well as a fractional part. आप देखो 2 whole 1 by 2 में 2 is the whole number part and 1 by 2 is a fractional part. ऐसे 5 whole 1 by 7 में 5 is the whole number part and 1 by 7 is the fractional part. Okay. Now changing a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. अब एक मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को हम इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में चेंज कैसे कर सकते हैं? दिस इज वेरी सिंपल. लेट्स टेक अ फ्रैक्शन 3 whole 1 by 4. नाउ चेंज इनटू एन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सो स्टेप 1, separate the whole number part from the fractional part using the plus sign. 3 whole 1 by 4 means 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Now step 2, multiply and divide the whole number part by the denominator of the fractional part. अब हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पर 3 है means 3 by 1. So what to do? 3 into 4 and 1 into 4, right? And plus 1 by 4 as it is. So it becomes 12 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Now the third step, add the two fractions. You will get an equivalent improper fraction. आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? 12 plus 1 by 4 means 13 by 4. So this is the improper fraction. Changing an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Now we have an improper fraction. उसको हम change करेंगे mixed fraction में. Let's see, there is one fraction 17/5. So what to do? Step 1, divide the numerator of the given improper fraction by its denominator. हम क्या करेंगे? 17 को 5 से divide कर देंगे. So what will you get? 3 as quotient and 2 as remainder. So, step 2, write the quotient, remainder and divisor in the following form. हम कैसे लिख देंगे? Quotient, remainder upon divisor means 3 whole 2/5. So, this is the answer. Okay. Now, let us attempt example 1. Change 3 whole 1/3 into an improper fraction. So, what to do? हम कैसे करेंगे? We can do directly 3 into 3 plus 1. Okay, or like this we can do 3 whole 1/3, 3 plus 1/3, then 3 into 3/3 plus 1/3. So this becomes 9/3 plus 1/3 means 10/3. आप simply directly ऐसे कर सकते हैं 3 whole 1/3. So 3 into 3 plus 1/3 means 9 plus 1/3, that is 10/3. Okay. Now come to example 2. Change 28/6 into a mixed fraction. It means divide 28 by 6. So what will you get? 6 4s are 24. So 4 as quotient and 4 as remainder. So here we are getting 4 whole 4/6. So this is the answer, right? Now the next is exercise 5.2 based on such type of examples. Let's see question number 1. Identify the following fractions and name them as improper or proper, unit or mixed fraction. See, like here third part 2 whole 1/3. This is a mixed fraction. Okay. 10th part 5/33. This is a proper fraction. Okay. Similarly 6th part 11/13. This is also a proper fraction. So similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the second one, change the following into improper fractions. हमारे पास क्या है? Mixed fraction given है, हमें change करना है improper में. See the fourth part 7 whole 3/5. Then what to do? 7 into 5 plus 3/5. So 35 plus 3/5, that is 38/5. Okay. ऐसे हम बाकी क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. Like 9th part 5 whole 1/3. So 5 into 3 plus 1/3 means 15 plus 1/3, that is 16/3. Right? So very easy. You can try remaining part. Now the third one, change the following into mixed fractions. Like here fourth part 25/8. तो हमारे पास improper fractions given है, इसे हमें change करना है mixed में. So 25 divide by 8, 8 3s are 24, 1 is remainder. So how we can write is 3 whole 1/8. Okay, ऐसे हम बाकी क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. Like 11th part 20/3. So 20 divided by 3, 3 6s are 18. 2 is remainder. So 6 whole 2/3. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now we are talking about equivalent fractions. Very, very important. Fractions which represent the same part of a whole or a collection are called equivalent fractions. Let us understand with the help of a few examples. See. Carefully observe the shaded portions of the circle. What did you observe? See the first figure, we have 2 equal parts and one is shaded. It becomes 1/2. Now here we have 4 equal parts and 2 are shaded. It is 2/4. The third one, we have 8 equal parts and 4 are shaded, 4 by 8. The fourth one, we have total 16 parts and 8 are shaded, 8 upon 16. And this fifth one, we have total 32 parts and 16 are shaded. So this becomes 16 upon 32. But आप देखें जो shaded portion है वो सब में क्या है, same है, right? So what we are getting, a closer look will make it clear that shaded portion in each figure, first, second, third, fourth and fifth, represents the same part of the circle. So it means 1 by 2 equals to 2 by 4 equals to 4 by 8 equals to 8 by 16 equals to 16 by 32. So these are what? These are equivalent fractions as they represent the same part of a whole. Okay. Now building equivalent fractions. For writing equivalent fractions for a given fraction, we multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by the same number. Example, write two equivalent fractions for 1 upon 3. So what to do? 1 upon 3 है, हम क्या करेंगे, सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर को भी और डिनोमिनेटर को भी. So we are choosing 2. So 1 into 2, 3 into 2, that is 2 by 6. Okay. आपके पास क्या था? See the figure. 1 upon 3 means total 3 parts and 1 is shaded. So this is 1 by 3. Okay. Now we are multiplying it by 2. Now we are getting 2 by 6. 2 by 6 means total 6 parts. 2 are shaded. So we can get this one. Okay. Now the second equivalent fraction is what to do? Multiply it by 3. So 1 into 3, 3 into 3, that is 3 by 9. You can see this whole divided into 9 parts and 3 are shaded. So this shaded portion representing the same portion. Okay. So these are equivalent fractions of 1 upon 3. Right. Now the next is verifying whether the two given fractions are equivalent or not. Sometimes हमारे पास two fractions given है, we have to find whether these are equivalent or not. So how we can check? We multiply numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second and also multiply denominator of the first fraction with numerator of the second fraction. If product in both cases is the same, then the fractions are equivalent. अभी हम कुछ examples करेंगे, it would be clear to you. Now, reducing a fraction into its lowest term. For reducing a fraction into its simplest form or lowest form, divide the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by their HCF. See how to do. Now let us attempt some examples. Example 1. Verify whether 1 by 2 and 12 upon 24 are equivalent or not. So what to do? Given fractions 1 upon 2 and 12 upon 24. So we have to do multiplication. Means cross multiply भी बोलते हैं इसको हम. So 1 into 24 and 12 into 2. So this is 24, this is 24. This is same. It means these fractions are equivalent. They are showing us like this. Same one area they have taken, like one rectangle, two equal parts, 1 upon 2 and the same dimensions of rectangle and total 24 parts and 12 are shaded, 12 upon 24. Right. Now example 2. Reduce 16 upon 56 into its lowest terms. Now 16 upon 56, their HCF is 8. इन दोनों को हम 8 से कट कर देंगे, यानी डिवाइड कर देंगे, you will get 2 upon 7. So what is the lowest term? That is 2 upon 7. So now there is one challenge. Half of half and 1/3 of 3 quarters are equal. Half of half means half into half, that is 1 by 4, and 1/3 means 1 by 3 of 3 quarters, 3 by 4. So are these equal? Yes, these are equal. Okay, both are equal to 1 by 4. Okay, now we are coming to exercise 5.3 based on such type of example. See, question number 1. Write 4 equivalent fractions for each. Like fourth part 2 upon 3. So what to do? First of all multiply by 2. So 4 by 6. अब हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 कर दें, 6 upon 9, then multiply by 4, 8 upon 12. So ऐसे हम we can find so many fractions. Okay, we have to find 4 equivalent fractions. So here 3 equivalent fractions and one more. What to do? 2 by 3 multiply by 5. So that is 10 upon 15. Okay, very simple. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the second one, verify whether the following fractions are equivalent or not. So what to do? Like here, third part 1 by 8, 7 upon 54. So cross multiply 1 into 54 and 7 into 8. So this is 54, this is 56. These are not equal, that's why these are not equivalent. So very simple, you can try remaining parts. Now third question, fill in the boxes. Like the first one, 2 by 3 equals to 10 upon dash equals to 6 upon dash equals to dash upon 18. अब आप देखो 2 upon 3. So 10, how we can get 10 from 2? 2 5s are, so 3 into 5, that is 15. Okay, this is the rule. हमें same number से multiply करना होता है numerator and denominator को, right? Now the second one, here 6, so 2 into 3, so नीचे भी 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay, then here the next is we want denominator as 18. 18 कैसे आएगा? 3 से 3 6 are, so 2 6 are. So here 12 upon 18. Similarly, we can try remaining parts. Very easy. Now the fourth one, reduce the following into lowest terms. See here, third part 39 upon 52. Both are divisible by 13. So 13 3s are 39, 13 4s are 52. So 3 by 4 is the lowest term. Okay, ऐसे हमारे पास 10th part है 5 upon 65, cut it by 5. So this is 1 upon 13. Similarly, we can try remaining parts. I hope these are clear to you. Show me thumbs up. Okay, the next is like and unlike fractions. Very important. Fractions are classified into like and unlike categories depending on their denominators. Fractions with the same denominators are said to be like fractions, and the fraction with the different or unequal denominators are called unlike fraction. अगर हमारे denominator same होंगे कुछ fractions में, so these are like fraction. Like here 3 by 12, 5 by 12, 7 by 12, 9 by 12, denominators are same. Now unlike fractions means different denominators, like 6 by 7, 3 by 8, 1 by 9, 3 by 4. So here denominators are different. Okay. Now comparison of fraction. Now we have to compare the fractions. Case 1. Comparison of like fractions. Like fractions are compared on the basis of the value of the numerator of the fraction. हम like fractions को compare कैसे करेंगे? Means when denominator same, then we have to see the numerator. See over here, like we have total 5 parts, 1 by 5. Then we have total 5, 2 are shaded, 2 by 5. Here we have 3 out of 5 are shaded, 3 upon 5. And this is here total 5, 4 are shaded, 4 upon 5. So it is clear from the above figure that 1 by 5 is less than 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 is less than 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 is less than 4 by 5. It means सबसे बड़ा फ्रैक्शन कौन सा है 4/5 and सबसे छोटा फ्रैक्शन कौन सा है 1/5. It means we are just seeing the values of numerator. So with the help of the above illustration we may conclude that in like fractions the fraction with the largest numerator is the greatest and vice versa. जिसका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होगा वो फ्रैक्शन बड़ा होगा. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड वन, केस 2, कंपैरिजन ऑफ अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन विद द सेम न्यूमरेटर. अब हमें अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस को कंपेयर करना है जिसमें क्या है न्यूमरेटर सेम है. सी लेट अस कंपेयर 1/3 and 1/4. So in 1/3 the whole is divided into 3 equal parts and we take 1. और 1/4 में the whole is divided into 4 equal parts and we take 1. See here, this part, total 3 parts, 1 we are taking 1/3. Here total 4 parts, 1 we are taking 1/4. So you can see 1/3 is bigger than 1/4. So therefore we conclude that in fractions having the same numerator, the one with the smaller denominator is greater. इसमें उल्टा है, जिसका denominator smaller होगा वो fraction बड़ा होगा if numerators are same. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now case 3, comparison of unlike fractions. Now if P/Q and R/S are the two given fractions to be compared, then what to do, हम cross multiply करेंगे and then find their products. So what to do, the first one, if PS is greater than RQ then the first fraction is greater. Okay, and the second condition, if PS is less than RQ then P/Q is less than R/S, and if PS equals to RQ then both the fractions are equal. For example, let us compare 3/7 and 4/9. इनको हमने किया क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, 3 into 9, 4 into 7. So 27 and 28. So 28 is bigger than 27. It means 3/7 is less than 4/9. Right? Now let us attempt example 1. Which is smaller, 7/12 or 6/11? So here if both the denominators are co-primed, they have no factor in common except 1. To get the like fraction, you can also multiply numerator and denominator of one fraction by the denominator of other fraction and vice versa. Simply हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसमें क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, बट व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, इन्होंने क्या किया है, they are making fraction like fraction. We are changing unlike fractions into like fractions, means we are making the denominator same. Here 7/12 है तो हम क्या करेंगे, 12 into 11, 7 into 11. So that is 77/132. अब 6/11 है, so 11 into 12, 6 into 12, 72/132. So the first is bigger. Now these are like, we can compare it. The first one is bigger, so that's why here this 7/12 is bigger than 6/11. Okay, so 6/11 is a smaller fraction. Fine. So alternative method, cross multiply, that is the best way. 7 into 11, 77. 6 into 12, 72. Now compare it. You know which one is greater and which one is smaller. Okay. Now come to example 2. Arrange 7/12, 1/12, 5/12 and 11/12 in ascending order, means increasing order, means smaller to bigger. So these are like fractions. डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, आपने सिर्फ कंपेयर करना है न्यूमरेटर को. तो जो न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होगा दैट फ्रैक्शन वुड बी बिगर. लाइक हियर we have numerators 1, 5, 7 and 11. So 11 is the greatest one and 1 is the smallest one. So we can write in ascending order, that is 1 by 12, 5 by 12, 7 by 12 and 11 by 12. Now come to example 3. Arrange these fractions in descending order, means decreasing order, greatest to smallest. So first of all, see these are which type of fraction? These are unlike. Unlike fractions हैं, इनको हम convert करेंगे like fractions में, यानी denominators का हम LCM ले लेंगे. 5, 2, 3 and 6. Its LCM is 30. यानी जितने भी denominator हैं सबको हम change करेंगे 30 में. See 2/5. 2/5, 5 को 30 कैसे बनाएंगे? 5 into 6. So here 2 into 6. 12/30. The second fraction 1/2. So 2 into 15, 1 into 15 means 15/30. The third fraction 1/3. 3 tens are 30. So 3 into 10, 1 into 10, 10/30. And the last is 5/6. So 6 into 5, 5 into 5, 25/30. Now we can compare the numerators. तो न्यूमरेटर्स हमारे पास क्या है? 12, 15, 10 एंड 25. सो सबसे बड़ा न्यूमरेटर है 25 एंड सबसे छोटा न्यूमरेटर है 10. नाउ अरेंज इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, सो वी आर गेटिंग दिस वन. नाउ राइट इन ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. सो हियर 5 by 6, 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 1 by 3. So this is the required descending order. Very easy, very simple. Okay, now we are coming to exercise 5.4 based on such type of examples like question number 1. Put greater than, less than or equal to in the blank boxes. Like here second part 3 by 7 and 4 by 7. Like fractions है. Numerator 4 is greater than 3. So 4 by 7 is greater than 3 by 7. Okay, ऐसे हमारे पास थर्ड पार्ट है 1 by 9 and 2 by 5. These are unlike. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दे. 1 into 5, 2 into 9, 18. So this is bigger. Second fraction is bigger. ऐसे आप बाकी fractions compare कर सकते हैं. Now the second one, arrange the following like fractions in an ascending order, in increasing order, smallest to biggest. Like here fourth part 13 by 17, 1 by 17, 2 by 17, 7 by 17, 6 by 17. तो सबसे छोटा न्यूमरेटर है 1 एंड सबसे बड़ा न्यूमरेटर है 13. So 1 by 17, then 2 by 17, then 6 by 17, then 7 by 17 and then last 13 by 17. So this is the required order. Okay. Now the third question, arrange the following unlike fractions in the descending order, means decreasing order, means greatest to smallest. These are unlike. तो first of all हम इन्हें change करेंगे like fractions में, then we can find the descending order. Okay, so you can try this one on your own. Now we are talking about operations on fractional numbers. You have already learned to perform all the 4 operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on whole numbers. So these operations can be performed with equal case on fractional numbers as well. To find out how easy it actually is, go through these subtopics. See, addition and subtraction of two like fractions. Very simple. For addition or subtraction of like fraction, what to do? Only numerators are added or subtracted and the common denominator of the given fraction becomes the denominator of the sum or difference. Simply हमें numerators को add करना है या subtract करना है and denominator would be same. Now addition and subtraction of two unlike fractions. अब अगर हमारे पास two unlike fractions हैं उनको हम कैसे करेंगे? So for adding or subtracting two unlike fractions, First change them into like fractions and then the numerators are added or subtracted. The common denominator obtained in the transformed fractions becomes the denominator of the sum or the difference. Okay, see how. Let us attempt some examples. Example 1. Add 4 by 11 and 2 by 11. These are like fraction. तो हमें क्या करना है, सिंपली न्यूमरेटर्स को ऐड कर देंगे. 4 plus 2 upon 11, 6 upon 11, right? Now example 2, evaluate 17 upon 73 minus 5 upon 73. Again we have like fraction. Simply minus कर देंगे न्यूमरेटर्स को, means 17 minus 5 upon 73, that is 12 upon 73. Okay, now example 3, evaluate 7 whole 1 by 2 plus 6 whole 1 by 2. How we can do this? हम क्या करेंगे, whole parts ले लेंगे 7 plus 6 and fractional parts separate कर देंगे 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, now 7 plus 6 is 13. Now add these two, we are getting 1 plus 1 upon 2 means this is 2 upon 2. ये भी क्या बन जाएगा हमारा 1. So 13 plus 1, that is 14. Okay, now example 4, subtract 5 whole 3 by 7 from 18 whole 3 by 7. So what to do? 18 whole 3 by 7 minus 5 whole 3 by 7. So हम whole parts को minus करेंगे. 18 minus 5 plus 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7. This becomes 0 and 18 minus 5, this is 13. Okay. Now example 5, find the sum 1 by 7 plus 1 by 5. Now these are unlike fractions. इन्हें हम change करेंगे like fractions में. So we will take the LCM of denominators 7 and 5, that is 35. अब हम क्या करेंगे, 1 by 7, ये बन जाएगा 1 into 5. 7 into 5 means 5 upon 35 and 1 by 5, it becomes 7 upon 35. Now add these two. 5 upon 35 plus 7 upon 35 means 12 upon 35. Okay. Now example 6, evaluate 13 upon 31 minus 5 upon 62. Again unlike fractions, हम लेंगे LCM denominators का. 31 and 62 का LCM, that is 62. So now 13 upon 31, 31 into 2, so 13 into 2, 26 upon 62 and 5 upon 62 as it is. Now minus कर देंगे numerators को. Here 26 upon 62 minus 5 upon 62, that is 26 minus 5 means 21 upon 62. Okay. Now example 7, add 2 whole 1 by 3 plus 5 whole 1 by 4. So take the whole parts 2 plus 5 and take the fractional parts 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. So 2 by 5 is 7. इन दोनों को कैसे ऐड करेंगे? These are unlike. पहले हम चेंज करेंगे like fractions में. So we are getting 4 by 12 plus 3 by 12 means 7 plus 7 by 12. So this is the answer, 7 whole 7 by 12. There is another method, see alternative approach, addition by changing both the mixed fraction to their improper equivalents. हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों fractions को change कर देंगे improper fractions में. It becomes 7 by 3 plus 21 by 4. अब ये बन गए हमारे unlike fraction. Now make the denominator same. Take the LCM. LCM is 12. So 3 into 4, 4 into 3. So what we are getting? 28 upon 12 plus 63 upon 12. Numerators add कर देंगे. So answer is same. So I think this is the better way. Whatever you like, you can do by any way. So I hope these are clear to you. Now the next is example 8. Subtract 2 whole 1 by 4 from 5 whole 1 by 9. So 5 whole 1 by 9 minus 2 whole 1 by 4. Change कर देंगे improper में. 46 upon 9 minus 9 by 4. अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस है, लाइक में कन्वर्ट करना है, एलसीएम लेना है 9 and 4 का, दैट इज 36. सो व्हाट टू डू हियर, 46/9 इसको बनाएंगे 9 into 4, 46 into 4 and 9/4 है 4 into 9, 9 into 9 we are getting 184/36 minus 81/36. माइनस कर देंगे न्यूमरेटर्स को, so this is 103/36. now change into mixed fraction, so this is the answer. Okay, I hope these are clear to you. Now example 9, simplify 2/3 plus 3/4 minus 1/2. now we have three fractions, these are unlike fraction, so what to do, take the LCM of denominators, it is 12. अब हम क्या करेंगे, चेंज कर देंगे डिनोमिनेटर्स को 12 में. सो 2/3 मीन्स 3 into 4, 2 into 4, 8/12. 3/4 means 4 into 3, 3 into 3, 9/12. Now 1/2 means 2 into 6, 1 into 6, 6/12. Substitute these values. Now 8/12 plus 9/12 minus 6/12. So what we are getting, 8 plus 9 minus 6 as the numerator. Perform करेंगे calculations, 8 plus 9 17 minus 6, that is 11/12. So I hope this is clear to you. Now example 10. Asha bought 2/5 of ribbon and Veena bought 3/4 of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? So Asha bought 2/5 meter of ribbon and Veena bought 3/4 meter of ribbon. So total length 2/5 meter plus 3/4 meter, दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. These are unlike fractions, change करेंगे like में. Take the LCM of the denominator, that is 20. So what we are getting, 8 plus 15 means 23/20. Change into mixed fraction. Okay, now example 11. Pinky's school is 5/9 kilometer from her house. She walked some distance and then took a bus for 1/3 kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? So here total distance is given 5/9 kilometer. Distance travelled by bus is 1/3 kilometer. So what is distance left? 5/9 minus 1/3. So Pinky walked 5/9 minus 1/3. Subtract कर देंगे. So 9 is the LCM. 5 minus 3, 2/9 kilometer. So I hope these are clear to you. Now we are coming to exercise 5.5 based on such type of examples. Like question number 1, add the following. Like second part, 7/17 plus 5/17. Like fractions है, simply add the numerator 12/17. Okay. Now second question, find the sum. Like here second part, 2/5 plus 7/25. These are unlike fractions. हम क्या करेंगे, LCM लेंगे डिनोमिनेटर्स का, that is 25. So 2/5 into 5, 2 into 5 and 7/25 as it is. So what will you get? 10/25 plus 7/25. So 10 plus 7, that is 17/25. Similarly, we can try remaining parts. Okay. Now question number 3, subtract the first fraction from the second. Like second part, 31/71 and 41/71. So 41/71 minus 31/71. Like fractions है, what to do, just subtract the numerators. So 41 minus 31, that is 10/71. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining part. Now the fourth question, find the difference. Now we have unlike fractions. So what to do, like third part, 13/34 and 1/51. तो हम क्या करेंगे, LCM फाइंड करेंगे. 34 and 51, 17, 17 2 जा 34, 17 3s are 51. So 17 into 2, 34 into 3. So this is 102. So 102 is the LCM. हम LCM लेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर्स को चेंज करेंगे 102 में, then we can do the subtraction. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Okay, now the fifth one, evaluate each of the following. So here, like fifth part, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12. These all are unlike fraction. तो हम क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इनका LCM लेंगे डिनोमिनेटर्स का. 2, 4, 8 and 12. You know very well how to take LCM. Divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Then again by 2. So now find the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. तो हम क्या करेंगे? जितने भी डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं सबको चेंज कर देंगे 24 में. देन वी कैन परफॉर्म द कैलकुलेशंस. ओके, नाउ हियर लाइक 6th क्वेश्चन, रेखा टेक्स 2.5 hours to complete her homework. However, Shalini takes 8/3 hours to complete her homework. So who takes less time and by how much? So Rekha takes 5/2 hours and Shalini takes 8/3 hours. So we can compare it. Cross multiply कर दें. 5 into 3 15, 2 into 8 16. So who takes less time? Rekha takes less time. And by how much? हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? 5/2 and this is 8/3. इन दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे. Right? Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Very easy, very interesting. Now this is the assessment time. Competency based question A part, multiple choice question. The first one, 3 whole 1/2 is a mixed fraction. Okay. The second one, the fraction with numerator 2 and the denominator 5. This is 2/5. The third one, 28/35 in the lowest term. हम क्या करेंगे? 7 से कट कर दें. That is 4/5. Okay. Now the fourth one, 3/7 plus 5/7. That is what? That is 8/7. Now fifth one, 6/11, 10/17 and 15/31 are which fractions? These are unlike fractions. Now B part, filling the blanks. The first one, 2/3 equals to dash by 12. So 3 4s are 2 4s are 8/12. The second one, a fraction in which the numerator is 1 is called a unit fraction. The third one, a proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is dash than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. And the fourth one, and dash fraction can be written as mixed fraction and improper fraction. Okay. Then the fifth one, two equivalent fractions of 2/7 are, we can find it like 4/2 into 2, 7 into 2, 4/14. 3 से कर दो, 2 into 3, 6, 7 into 3, 21. 6/21. Okay. Now the C part, write T for true and F for false statement. The first one, 14/9 is a proper fraction. No, this is an improper. The second one, 1 whole 3/4 minus 2/3 equals to 13/12. You can just check it on your own. The third one, a fraction is a part of whole. Yes, this is true. Okay. The fourth one, the fraction having different numerators are said to be unlike fractions. No, different denominators. Now the fifth one, every fraction can be represented by a point on a number line. Yes, this is true. Now the D part, case study based question. The population of a town is 1,80,000 and the people living in the city belong to following age categories. Like here, age given in years and number of people given. So what to do? According to the data, we can find these answers, like answer these questions on the basis of the above data. The second one, what is the simplest form of the fraction representing the population above 80 years? Above 80, 5,000. So 5,000 out of 1,80,000. The fraction you can find it out, that is 5 upon 180, cut it by 5, so 1 upon 36. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Okay, now we are coming to E part, assertion reason based question. Direction for question 1, 2, 3. In each of the questions given below, there are two statements marked as assertion A and reason R. Mark your answer as per the codes provided below. A part, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B part, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. And C part, A is true but R is false. And D part, A is false but R is true. So question 1, assertion A, 5 whole 1 by 7 can be written as 5 plus 1 by 7. Yes, true. And reason R, a mixed fraction can be written as an improper fraction. Both are true but this is not the correct explanation of A. So here B. Question number 2, assertion A, 18 upon 93 is less than 18 upon 79. Yes, this is true. And reason R, when the fractions have the same numerator, then the fraction with the greater denominator has less value. So A, this is correct. Okay. Now the question number 3, assertion A, the fraction 36 by 48 in the simplest form is 3 by 4. Yes, this is true. And reason R, a fraction is said to be in simplest form if its numerator and denominator are co-prime. So this is also for A. Okay, because both are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Now we have some subjective type question like F part, solve the following word problems. So you can try these ones. Some questions are over here. So like here, fourth question, in a class of 45 students, 15 students like mathematics. So what fraction of the students does not like mathematics? 15 like mathematics, does not like 30. 45 minus 15, that is 30. So fraction क्या बन जाएगा? 30 upon 45. Okay. Now like fifth question, a chocolate is divided into 8 equal parts and Rahul ate 5 parts of it. So what fraction did Rahul eat? Yani 5 upon 8. And what fraction is left? 3 upon 8. Similarly, you can try remaining question. Now we are talking about integrated question. About 71% of Earth's surface is made up of water bodies like ocean, lakes and rivers, etc. The remaining 29% of Earth's surface is land consisting of continents and islands. The table given below shows the approximate fraction of land mass occupied by different continents. हमारे पास नेम ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंट्स हैं एंड अप्रॉक्सीमेट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अर्थ लैंड मास इज गिवन. So what to do? The first one, arrange the continents according to the area of their land mass in ascending order. हमें इन्हें arrange करना है ascending order में. Then the second one, what is the difference between the land mass covered by North America and Australia? North America, this is 33 by 100 and Australia 11 by 200. इन दोनों का difference find करना है. And the third one, what is the sum of the land mass covered by Australia, Africa and Asia? फिर Australia, Asia and Africa, इन तीनों का sum find करना है. So I hope this one you can try on your own. Very interesting. So now this is the time of HOTS question. See the second one, what are equivalent fractions? You know very well, equivalent fractions which have the same value, like here 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6. So how we are getting an equivalent fraction? If one fraction is given, we can multiply its numerator and denominator by the same number. Now 4/8 of the circle and 1/2 of the triangle shown in this given figure are shaded. Here one figure is given. Here one circle, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts out of 8, 4 are shaded. It means 4 by 8 is the fraction, and here total 2 equal parts, 1 is shaded, 1 upon 2, 1 by 2. So how are the two figures shown in this figure 2 alike, and how are they different? So can you tell me, are these equivalent because their fractions are equal, 4 by 8 and 1 by 2? So yes, because their values, their fractions are equal. And how are they different? Their shapes are different, right? Now here third question, shade the given circle so as to represent the fraction 3 upon 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means total 10 circles, and we have to show 3 upon 5 shaded. So what to do? 3 by 5, make it 10, multiply by 2, it means 6 upon 10. So 6 circles we can shade, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So shade 6 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 by 10, 6 out of 10, right? Similarly, you can try fourth question. Okay, now this is the time of word stock, fraction, equivalent, mixed, reducible, irreducible, unit, comparison and unlimited. Now this is the activity time objective. To recapitulate the concept of equivalent fraction through an activity. So prerequisite knowledge, concept of fractions, materials required, a pencil, color paper, a pair of scissors. Now procedure. The first one, take a rectangular piece of paper and cut it in a size shown in figure. Now step 2, cut 2 more colored paper of the same size. And then step 3, draw lines with the help of pencil as shown in figure. So like here we can see here total 4 parts, 1 is shaded, so 1 by 4, and here total 12 parts, तो हम 12 parts cut कर देंगे equally, and 3 out of 12 shaded, and then here total 8, 2 are shaded, 2 by 8. So fourth one, similarly draw more lines to show the equivalent fractions such as 2 by 8, 3 by 12, 4 by 16, etc. Now the fifth one, paste the colored paper in your math lab activity notebook. So I hope this is clear to you. Very interesting, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.